Hey, welcome back. It's Clint, Hillbilly, Hippie, Honeybees. So, everybody's been following along on the journey of the double screen boards. There's been a couple questions asked. Well, what happens if she doesn't? If it doesn't work? If you don't produce another queen cell, or she doesn't make it back from being mated? How do you handle that? Well, there's a couple ways you can do it. But what we did with this one particular one is probably the easiest way, especially for new beekeepers, to handle it. And we just wanted to show you real quick what we did. So if you have a different way of doing it, some of the more mature beekeepers, please feel free to put it in the comments below to help out the new beekeepers. Like I said, there's multiple ways of doing it. This is the way we chose to show you real quick because it's probably the easiest and quickest way to do it. And so, anyway, so that's what we wanted to show you today. All right, so we tried the double screen board on this one. So what we wanted to show you on this was it did not take up here. She hatched out. They are backfilling everything. So now what we're going to do to put them back together, there's a lot of things we could do, but we are going to put a newspaper in between and stick them right back together, and then they'll become sisters again. And then maybe we can make some honey off of this one this spring. So what do you think?
Yep, I'm good with that.
All right, that's what we're going to do. So that way we can put these back together and maybe look at these other ones a little bit better. But she's laying really well. Lots of brood in there, and if we can get her back together along with this one here, maybe we can make some honey in this yard. So there we go. All right, so where we took that double screen board out and put the paper in there, it moved their entrance. So now if you look up here, these girls are using their Nasonov gland to send out their pheromones to let them know that, hey, the entrance is moved up here. And so that's why they got their butts up in the air and fanning and all that. So once that paper gets chewed out, they will be sisters again, and hopefully this will be another good honey producer this year, because she looked like she was doing well. So that's what that is. This one, it didn't work either. The weather's been horrible here for trying to get queens mated. It's either raining or 32 degrees. So
the wind's blowing so hard you can't keep your hat on.
Yeah, or the wind's blowing so hard you can't keep your hat on. So we just reintroduced these back together as well, using the newspaper and all. The one with the smoker on top of it there, it didn't look like she took it all either. So we just go try another. We stuck a frame of day old down in there to see what will happen. The blue box there, it had a queen in it that was laying real good. She was in the orange one, nuke sitting right beside her, so we just graduated her up. These two here, queen and queen, so we know that one's good. We'll move them. This one here that's in the middle, same thing, good queen, ready to go.
Rolling, do you want me to just film you?
Oh, no, that's fine.
Okay.
We got it.
All right.
So
David's in survival mode too.
David's in survival mode. His back has been bothering him today. We thought we'd work it out, but I don't know that that's even happened. So and then we got Angus. If you'll see Angus over there peeking out, watching us. He's been watching us for a couple hours while we've been out here.
You're being good dogs.
Being good dogs. We can leave that gate open and they don't do a thing. So we'll come back and check that one and see what's going on. So, hey, and please like and subscribe to our channel. We've noticed that over probably 75% of our viewers have not liked and subscribed to our channel. That would really help us out a lot. We appreciate you all for everything that you do, all the comments and graciousness. We just ask that you help us out in that way. All right, well, God bless. We'll see you on the next video.